Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to view Google Drive folder size. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Google Drive application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Google Drive if you don't have a profile already. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom, as you can see, we have the home, start, shared and files. And in the top left corner, we, as you can see, have the recent, offline, spam, bin, and the settings option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and view Google Drive folder size. So first of all, select one or more folders which you want to know the size of. So basically when you do that, you just need to go and click long press and select open with Drive Explorer. And then on the page that you actually have open, of course, you can find the folder size in one of the columns. Or as you can see here on the phone, you can go to the folders. And as you can see, click on the three dots. And here you can go and see the manage access to go and check out what is the size of these folders. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, guys, bye guys.